Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So I am sitting in the 2021 Honda Accord and I have recently done the review of this very car. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to use the infotainment system on this 2021 Honda Accord. But before we move forward, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscription button and make sure to press the bell icon and leave all the notifications on, so that way you will never miss any video updates from my channel. So on this 2021 Honda Accord you get an 8-inch colorful display which is a touch screen also, and it's got a little bit of angle, so it's facing towards the roof. I don't know if you can see it from the cameras, but yeah, a bit of glare issues that you will face during a bright day, but otherwise the screen is quite simplified that way. In terms of the use, it's pretty quick also. So the shortcut menu buttons are given on both the sides for your home, back, your brightness. When you press it, you can adjust it from here. So yeah, you can keep it in the maximum and then you can change the track from here. Then there is also the map button out here. There is the telephone, the audio and the source, and there is also the volume button out here, and also the scroller to scroll through different channels and everything. So the main screen comprises of this, but you can also press on the date and you can have a screensaver out here. So usually you would find this sort of first page when you enter inside and start the car. So you can just tap on the screen and then yeah, you can change even the clock faces, whatever you want. So I'll be coming to that too. So you can even change, yeah, see the wallpaper and all of that. So yeah, you can set it and then you go back and then you can see. So let me start by clicking the home button, and this is the main menu option out here. So the first option is the navigation. So the navigation is quite alright, it's decently fast, and then you can even go to the 2D mode or you can go to the 3D mode from here. Then you can have different elements to be shown on your screen. So when I go back, you can even zoom from here, and then in order to search you have to just go back and then wherever you go, and then there are shortcut options out here. You can search from there and then you can set your home button also. So yeah, that's the main navigation option. Then the next option is the phone. Whenever your phone is connected, you can connect and see your phone numbers, your messages, and you can even see a dial pad out here. Right now my phone isn't connected, which is why it's not showing me that. And the next option is the more detailed option, which is your setting, in which you will find the system settings, where you will find the date and time, and then you can change everything from here. And then you can find the language, where you can change your languages also. There are lots of language options which have been given. And then there is the touch panel sensitivity. You can keep it high or normal, so whenever you touch the screen, how quickly you want it to react. And then the system volumes, you can change that too from here. Then the configuration of the instrument cluster, so you can see all the options that you can see in your driver's display. So you can change all these options, whichever option you want to see, and whichever you don't want to see, you can leave it. And then the next option is the security. When you go inside, you can even sort of have a password for this infotainment system. So yeah, you can do that also. Then there is the security option, and then there is the accessibility. So you can have easy accessibility options like your caption, language, and all of that you can set. Then text to speech output, so it will even read the messages for you in the car. Then the about settings and the information about the car. Then there is the factory data reset if you want to, and then the detailed information about this car. And then the next option is the connection, in which you can change your Wi-Fi connection. So you can connect to your phone to this system and then give Wi-Fi basically to the passengers in the car. Then there is the Bluetooth option, in which you will find all your Bluetooth connections out here. And then the next option is your smartphone connection. So you can connect to this infotainment system using the Apple CarPlay and also the Android Auto. So but both the connections are only possible with the wired, so it doesn't have the wireless connection option. So you can switch this on from here if you want to have the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. Then the next option that we go to is the display option, in which you can change all the brightness and the contrast and all the dimming features and all of that. Then the next option is the sound option, where you can change the bass and the treble, the balancer, the the DTS neutral sound, basically the surround sound system that you want, and then the speed volume compensation. So basically whenever you're going fast, how the volume of the infotainment, this music system that you want to be loud, so it will compensate for the speed accordingly and then increase the volume also. So the next option is the vehicle settings, in which you will find the deflation warning system. So yeah, you can calibrate the tire pressure monitoring system, and then there is the driver assist setup, where heads up warning, the forward collision, the adaptive cruise control detection, then the lane keeping, all these settings, and then the driver attention monitor. You can change all these settings from here as well. And then when we go inside again into the vehicle settings, and there is the meter setup, so you can adjust the outside temperature display, the rear seat reminder, if there is anything or any object or passenger in the back, you can be warned about that. And then there is the alarm volume control, the reverse position alert tone configuration of the instrument cluster we saw, which we saw before, fuel efficiency, the trip A, trip B, the language selection, the tachometer, and then there is the turn by turn display out here. So when you go into that, the navigation, the heads up display actually would show you a turn by turn options on your heads up display. So it will keep prompting you when to turn and at what distance and everything. So that is that. And then the driving position, so there is the memory seat option, which will be switched on and off, the keyless access setup, which is your smart keyless entry door, then the driving position, the lighting setup, where basically your headlights on and off, the interior lights, and the auto light sensitivity, instrument cluster lights, headlight integration with the wipers. So yeah, all of that can be changed from here. Then there is the door window setup, so you can basically choose to have all your windows locked or opened when you long press the remote, and yeah, all these options are for that you can see. Then the walk away lock, so when you walk away from the vehicle, you can basically keep the car. So when I keep it on, whenever you walk away from the car, this car would automatically lock itself, and when you walk closer to it, yeah, it would unlock itself. So yeah, that's that. And then the maintenance info about your engine oil and everything. So yeah, that is the vehicle setup out here. And then the next option is your camera, so reversing camera, that you can change the lane keep, the lane watch basically feature, that you can switch on and off. So yeah, you can basically change all these settings from here. And then there is the FM option, where you will find your AM and FM selection, then the settings from here where you can go and see. Then there is the sound option, again from here also you can change all the sound settings. And then the next option is the Bluetooth audio, you can connect to the device, your phone, and then yeah, you can see all the connections. Our smartphone is basically your Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. Then the traffic announcement system, which has not been set on. Then the next option is your trip information, trip A, trip B information, that you can see. Even there are settings options out here, you can delete or you can reset all your trip information. Then the next menu option is your USB 1 and 2, so you can connect your USB in the plug in the USB port, and then you can see the information here, AM, then the DAB and the clock feature. So if you want to have this wallpaper and the clock, which we saw in the first, then this is how you can even get back to that, or you can press this clock option out here, and then you can get to this menu. So yeah, that is pretty much all your options out here. And then there is the all apps setting, so you can change basically all the apps and customize them. So you can hide them, you can add the screen, and then you can change even the top bits and even shuffle the icons in the middle. So yeah, that can be changed from all apps. Now there are also shortcut options on top for your phone, for your navigation, for your FM, and also your media. So yeah, you can change that too, and then you can directly go to that. And then the traffic information, so there is, like right now it's not showing any traffic information because yeah, it's not getting any information for now. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to use the infotainment system on this Honda Accord. And if this video was helpful, then please make sure to press the like button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you feel like, you can share this video so that more people can discover this video. Now if you want to subscribe to my channel, then you can click here, and if you want to watch more videos, then click here. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.